So guys, go to this URL dell.com. After that, click on support and then click driver and download. So you have to just enter the model number Inspiron 3153. Select this. Scroll down. This is your laptop. Scroll down. Select the driver. Click on categorize. You can see this in this network tab and Bluetooth and driver. Okay. And this is download icons to download. And it is completed. Just single click to open, then click yes for the administrator installations. You just click to install, then next to restart your system. Okay, so this is installing in the background. So might be this install and it will come the dialog successfully install, then restart and then check it.